What we are going to do now is to clean these shrimps. I am SIGH. Live, love, laugh at first sight. Hey there, it's me SIGH. Welcome back to my channel where I share fun, facts, fashion, and food. This is another food episode, and I am going to show to you how I clean shrimps before cooking and why we should clean the shrimps. Keep on watching to learn how. I love eating and cooking shrimps, so I'm going to share to you now how to clean the shrimps and why you need to clean them. Who loves shrimps? I do, and for sure a lot of you love shrimps too. So what you need is just a chopping board and your choice of knife. I like the small knife because it's easy to handle. And yes, a bowl to put your cleaned shrimp. So let's wash them again. So what we are going to do is to remove the head, remove the entire shell, and remove this part here. Others call it devein. Cleaning the shrimp is through deveining, but actually the word deveining is wrong. Because if you see the anatomy of the shrimp, the veins are located in this part. See that bluish? Those are the veins. But this part here is the shrimp's intestines. So the correct term when you say you want to clean the shrimp is de-intestinalized, not devein. It's de-intestinalized. That's how I call it, de-intestinalized. Okay, so let's start cleaning the shrimp. So remove the head. Remove the head. Remove the skin, depending on how you want it done. You can actually use your hands to remove the shell. You can use your hands to remove the shell. Be careful not to destroy the fleshy part. So, it's already peeled. Throw away. So as I've mentioned earlier, this blue part here, the inner portion, that is the vein. And so this part here is called the intestine. Let me show you. Oh, we're lucky enough. The intestine is clean. Not totally clean, but contains less fecal dirt. You see? That is the intestine. So if it's a vein, if you insist, it should be bluish, but see, it's brown. It's light brown because it contains a little dirt. So you remove that until the tip, because that is, for me, it's kind of dirty because it's the intestine. So you need patience to do this because It's time consuming. So now it's removed. So see, that's the intestine. It's clean. So let me show you some other dirty intestines. It's clean maybe because before the shrimp was harvested, it was able to excrete some dirty stuff from his body. So it's easy to remove. This is also the easiest way. You use the knife. The shell is removed. So again, let me show you the vein. So the inner part, the concave, that's the vein. But if you flip it, the convex part, this is the portion for the intestine. So let me show you if the intestine is clean or dirty. I think it's clean. Oh, it's another clean intestine. We've got a dirty intestine right here. See that black portion? That's a dirty intestine. Look at the vein. It's bluish. But the intestine, it's black because it's dirty. Ooh. What is... Oh, see that? Dirty. It's black. Oh, where's the intestine? It's missing. Oh, yeah, here. The dirty part. This is a dirty intestine, see? But not really that dirty yet. So you have to remove this because I believe this is dirty, and I think you will also agree to that. And let's check another one, the dirtiest. If we can find one. So you should remove this part because it's the dirty intestine. See? De-intestinalized, not the vein. So we have another dirty intestine here. See that? So what you are seeing now is black in color, or it's not totally black. It's slightly bluish black with some tints of brown. Actually, there are different colors of dirty intestines depending on the diet of the shrimp. I've seen light brown, chocolate brown, yellowish brown, and this one. And darker than this also. So let's take off this one. Goodbye, dirty intestine. So this is the reason why you should clean your shrimps or de-intestinize them, because if not, you will be eating this part. But this is a painstaking activity. But then, at least you're sure that your shrimps are clean, safe to eat. And for this set of shrimps, this one has the dirtiest intestine. This one has the dirtiest intestine, see? From here down, it's really full of dirty matter. It's so dirty. He wasn't able to excrete when he died or when he was caught or have been harvested. So when we opened his intestine, it's still so full. So that's dirt. So you should clean your shrimp. You're going to eat this one if you don't clean your shrimp. So by the way, the intestine runs from here up to the tip, from its tail part. So you have to remove it from here down to here. So after you take them all, you wash them again. And they will be ready. They will be ready for cooking. So I have to continue this all. See you on my next episode. And I'll show you my most favorite and the best recipe that I can cook using shrimps. Bye! See you in my next episode. Thank you!